How to make Opera GX look better?
So what you would need to do is that you want to click here on the settings icon on the top right. And from here, you would be able to see the easy setup to customize the appearance of your browser. So in here, you have your presets. So what I suggest is this one right here because it's very sleek and clean. As you can see, when I click here, it would now load up this theme, which I think is very good. And then you can change the color of that right here. Same goes for this one. You can click here to change that color, and then you can go choose the color that you'd want in here. You can click here and show all to view everything. Next is that you have the wallpapers. If you would want to change it into a wallpaper, you can definitely do it right here. And then you have some other appearance customization options that you could do, like sounds. So you could also do that to make your browser better. And if you just want to change the wallpaper, then you can just click here and add your wallpaper to add a wallpaper from your device, or click here on Get More, and then you'll be prompted into the store of Opera GX, where you could buy and maybe use some free elements right here, like the wallpaper. Or you could even go for theme. If you go into google.com, search for Opera GX Theme Store, go into themes, and from here, you'd be able to get themes right here in Opera that you could add to make your browser look better. So yeah, this is it on how you can do it. Thank you for watching.